All right, guys, this is the extra Wednesday help video if you need some more work to see. Okay, so I'm going to be on page 809 in your book, and I'm going to do numbers 3 through 5 with you if you need to see a few more examples of how to do it. Okay, let's start out here with number 3. Number 3 asks us to convert 72 inches into feet. Sorry. Okay. We're going to use our calculator here. Box. Big. Small. To the right times. To the left. Divide. Alright? Make sure you get that down. Pause the video if you need time to catch up to where I am, and then just start it again when you're caught up to me and you're ready to keep going. Alright. So 72 inches. Inches are smaller than feet, so I'm on the small side with inches. I know I've got 72 inches. I'm looking here and I know, okay, my unit for this, there's 12 inches in 1 foot, so my unit here is going to be 12. This arrow is taking me to the blank space and it tells me to divide. So I'm going to divide 72 by 12. If you know your 12 facts, you know that 12 goes into 72 exactly 6 times, and 12 times 6, is 72. Which means this evenly comes out to 6 feet. And your answer is 6 feet. Okay? That's number 3. If you want to try one on your own, and then check your answer, go ahead and pause now, try number 4 on your own, and then start it when you're ready to see me do number 4. Okay, number 4. Number 4 asks us to do 19 yards and tell how many inches there are in 19 yards. So again, we're going to use the calculator. I'm going to use a different color here this time. Big, small, to the right multiply, to the left divide. Yards are bigger than inches, so yards start here. I know I have 19 yards. I'm looking for how many inches there are. If you remember, there are 36 inches in 1 yard, so that's going to be my customary unit, or my unit that I use in the middle. This arrow tells me I need to do what? Multiply. So I'm going to do 36 times 19. Nine times 6 is 54. 9 times 3 is going to give us 27. Plus 5 is going to give us 32. I'm going to move on, put your 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. When I add, I get a 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 684 inches in 19 yards. Hopefully you either understood what I did with that, or you did it on your own and either caught your mistakes if you made any or got it right. All right, I'm going to do number 5 next. Again, try pausing the video, see if you can do it on your own. If you get stuck or you're not sure what to do, start it up again and check your answers with me. Okay, number 5. Number 5 asks for 40 inches is how many feet? So again, we're going to use our calculator. This time, I know the inches, which is smaller than feet, so I put it here. I'm going to how many feet, so I can see that I'm going to divide. Again, my unit is 12 because there are 12 inches in a foot. So I'm doing 40 divided by 12 here. This one's a good one to do as an example again. If you're confused on what to do when you get a mixed number when it doesn't divide evenly, we're gonna do that right here. So 40 goes into 12 3 times without going over, and 12 times 3 is 36, which means we're left over with 4. Remember in this, to make a mixed number, that becomes my numerator. My denominator is whatever my divisor was. So right now I've got 3 and 4 twelfths. As I look at that, I realize it can be simplified. Both 4 and 12 can be divided by 4, so this simplifies to 3 and 1/3. I hope that gave you some extra help. When you do the ALEKS assignment tonight, remember to use those examples along the way too and come back and look at these if you need them. Hope you guys are having a good one. Remember, this was the Wednesday extra help.